What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to check battery health on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Ampere app. Now install this app, and after installing, tap on open. Now click on OK and then swipe left, and here in the second column it will show you all the battery information. So from here you can find your battery health. So that's how you can check your battery health on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.